Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to do competitor SEO analysis in Semrush. Stick around till the end to discover the step-by-step process for analyzing your competitors' SEO strategies with this powerful tool. Let us get started and take your SEO game to the next level. Let us talk about what others are doing with their ads on Google using Semrush. Semrush is a powerful tool for marketing online. It helps us see what our competitors are doing with their ads. If you're also running ads on Google, it is important to have better ads than your competitors. If your ads are better, you will probably do well. But if you don't know what your competitors are doing, it is hard to be better than them. So we are going to use Semrush. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial. Just go to semrush.com and sign up. Then you will be able to use all the features I will show you. To start, go to Semrush and look for the advertising section. It is on the left-hand side. There, you will find different settings or things that you can do, like checking keywords, tracking ads, and more. Let us start by clicking on Advertising Research. Here, Semrush wants us to enter a competitor's website URL. For example, let us use Molly-Maid, a big cleaning company franchise. They probably run ads, so it is good to check what they are doing. If you are starting a cleaning company, it is helpful to see what the big cleaning companies are doing with their ads, because we might need to compete with them, and I will put their domain here. Semrush will then figure out what they are doing on Google Ads. Semrush provides insights into keyword trends, search volume, competition level, and related keywords. This helps you to identify the best keywords to target you for your content and advertising campaigns. It shows that they are advertising on 338 keywords, which decreased by 12% from January to February. They are getting about 18,000 visitors per month and spending close to $90 monthly on traffic. We can also see traffic estimates, which spiked from January to the start of February and then gradually decreased. Understanding these trends can be helpful. We can analyze keywords where they show up in search results and their traffic costs. They advertise their name a lot, which is good to know. For instance, if we are starting a company, it might be wise to advertise our name, just like Molly-Maid does. Cleaning services is one of the top terms, with a search volume of 49,500. By filtering from highest to lowest search volume, we can focus on the most popular terms first. This helps us understand what keywords are important to target. We can see that they are constantly ranked at number 1 for terms like cleaning services, which seems to be their primary focus. They are ranked at the top for that term, and it is costly per click, indicating they are investing a significant amount in it. For example, while we wouldn't advertise on their business name, it is worth noting that they are, so we can consider doing the same. We can explore various terms like house cleaning and cleaning services and export them for our Google Ads campaign. This helps in understanding our competitor's strategy and choosing effective keywords. Equally important is crafting compelling ad copy that resonates with the audience and matches the targeted keywords. By analyzing our competitors' ads, we can see what is working and what is not. For example, they seem to have both branded and professional cleaning ads targeting different cities across the country. We can export all this data, analyze it, and use it to improve our ads and target keywords more effectively. Additionally, we should also look at their landing pages to understand their approach better. Now let us explore their website. This is how they arranged their website by keeping things simple. It seems they are focusing on a friendly local vibe with testimonials and a simple layout. By repeating this process for multiple competitors, we can identify trends and refine our strategies to stay competitive. This thorough analysis helps us understand how competitors are positioning themselves and enables us to make informed decisions to improve our advertising efforts. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.